Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download Google Trends data. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here we have made with trends, get started with trends. And right here, under it, you're going to find some resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. So the first one is what is Google Trends, basics of Google Trends, understanding the data and advanced Google Trends. If you go to explore right here, from here you can search for any term or any topic. And right here, you're going to find the list that includes the search topics and the search queries. Also, you can select which ones that you want, the rising or the top. And for example, I'm going to select the weather. And from here, you can compare it to another topic. From here, you can select the country that you want or the region. I selected worldwide. From here, you can select the time, the category, and also you can select if you want to see the stats of the web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. Right here, you're going to find the timeline. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to find interest by region and also a list of the countries interested in the topic. If you want to download the data, just go right here to this little icon and you can click on it if you want to download the data. And as you can see, guys, it's downloaded. You can also download the list from here. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.